Isaac here with Apple Valley Farm. Man, I've got something really cool to share with you. In case y'all don't know, the last couple of days I've been out here working on some stuff with Emma, and she's been building a little table out here, and she did a great job. A great job. I'm really excited that she wanted to be out here doing this, and it does my heart good. It really does. So I'm glad I was able to impart a little knowledge to her, and she was able to teach me some stuff. She did a better job on this table than I do. So I'm going to walk you through some of the stuff that we did, show you her her building this, and then we'll reveal the final product to you. You're not going to believe it. You're going to love it.
Is
All
it
right,
out?
is it out? Let it rip, potato chip.
I did it.
Good job.
I've got all 10 fingers. Woo!
Squeeze the trigger. Bow.
Ow.
Do it again. Give it a good sharp little tap. Like you were hitting Jude on the...
They're not exact.
That's okay. Baby, that looks wonderful.
I'm excited to stain it. I want to see the finished products. And I might take it to school and show everybody what I made.
It looks wonderful, Emma. It's gonna look good, Emma. Almost as good as I do.